Hello, I bought a bandsaw. After many years of using jigsaws and hand saws and my poor dead scroll saw to cut out like 1 or 2 inch thick material, I thought I'd try and buy the right tool for the job. I don't know if this is the right tool for the job, but that's what this video is going to be about. This is the cheapest Titan bandsaw in ScrewFix. This probably goes by other names as well. And this video is just going to be a really quick overview of my first impressions. And now for the magic unboxing clap. So probably took about half an hour to put together. I had to use a plastic set square to align things. But yeah, apart from that, it all seems to be good. This moves a little bit when you lock it into place, which is a bit worrying, so I need to double check every time. But I'm going to do some trial cuts now. Let's try the mitre gauge first. Set to 0. Okay, we need to adjust this slightly, but let's So using a protractor, I've zeroed out level, changed the marker here. Let's see what happens this time. And we have a 90-degree cut. Cool. Let's go for 45 degrees. So while it did cut at 45 degrees, this is now stuck in place. So I guess I need to kind of maybe lubricate the slot. Or maybe it's designed not to go off the edge. Oh no, maybe it just needs to be used a bit. So I'm happy with cross-cutting. So let's see if the fence can trim a straight line off. So I don't know if this is normal for all things with fences, but it kind of jumps as you lock it into place, which ruins all your measurements. But let's just see if we can follow this line. And the answer is no, we didn't. But I'm more than willing to put this down to user error. So we can see it's strayed from the line, but we've got like 8.6 mil this end and 8.9 mil that end. Does that doesn't really account for the difference. I might have to do a few more cuts. I'm willing to accept operator error here. Try that again. So yeah, that time we're perfect. 4.6 to 4.6. So it's operator error last time. And that was cutting through MDF and some plywood. Don't ask. So at this point, the camera audio just gave up. So the next test was to tilt the bed, and I did some 45 degree cuts along here just to make my push stick easier to hold. And that was a success. And then the next thing was to try a freehand test. So I used this as a template to cut the shape out, and that went swimmingly. Now I can't say for sure how good the dust collection is, but it does seem to be collecting in the hole where the dust collection port would connect. I don't have the right adapter for that, so I can't test it. So in conclusion, it's a budget saw. It's not going to win any prizes for being solid, but it does cut accurately. especially with all the gauges. And it cut well. I think I'm probably going to get a better blade, which would improve it no bounds as well. So yeah, I think it's worth getting. My first use of it in anger will be to make a neck for this guitar, which will be on my other channel. So if you're interested in that, click the link in the description. Other than that, thank you for watching.